Hello, everyone. I've got this here speaker. It's one of the portable Bluetooth battery-powered speakers that I got from the Crave company for me to just review, do a quick unboxing and show what I think of this speaker here. They've sent me iPhone cases before that have been amazing. So I'm curious how the speaker, does too. The iPhone cases, their quality has been great. I mean, yeah, I can't complain about them. So let's check this out first here. So there's the specifications of the speaker. 2000 milliamp per hour battery, 66 foot, 20 meter range of Bluetooth, which is normal. That's the Bluetooth standard pretty much. Power and everything, that's not, much to need to know on that. Control buttons there. It has the audio input port there, the 3.5 millimeter standard headphone jack, basically. So you can wire it and Bluetooth it. And the charging port it uses, looks like, it's a micro USB-B connector. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to get this thing opened up and see what it looks like. So let's just cut this film off here. Okay. And then we've got these plastic tape here. Slit this. All right, now open it up. Well, I'm gonna say I slit this good. Maybe I didn't slit this very good. There, now it's cut. There we go. Okay, nice. All right. So, here it is. So it's like kind of like a space gray or graphite gray. As you see here, it's got all the details also on it here. Rubber feet on the bottom. Feel like they hold pretty good. They're like really rubberized, so they should keep it sturdy on a surface, Yeah, nice. Very, seems like it's pretty good quality, like made. It's almost all aluminum, except this back is probably plastic. This is probably plastic here. Yeah, so that's cool. Nice looking speaker. Let's see here. I'm gonna set that down. What else we've got here? We've got a user guide. Comes in here. And then we've also got the charging cord. Now, it don't come with a block, to go into the wall, but you can use about anything anymore. So there's the charge cord, USB-B, which was pretty common. Anymore, things are mostly C, USB-C, but this is USB-B. Yeah. So let's see if it turns on here first. See if it has enough charge to turn on. Oh, it did. I heard it. There it is. I didn't see any lights. Okay, there must not be, oh, there it is. See that light in the center top there? There's a light blinking. Okay, so that's probably gonna start pairing. the good thing is it did still have a charge, which is very surprising. But just make sure you look through the center top. Is a light there showing the status. And I'm sure if I'd have read the user guide, I would have known that. Which would say, oh, guess what, too? So you know this. This is common for a lot of electronics. To charge them first. So I turned it off for now. To charge them first before you use them. Charge them up fully. Okay, power on and off by holding the power button. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, but this will show you everything about it. You can do phone calls, everything too with it. So yeah, it's got a I think it's got a mic. Yeah, it has to have a mic. Yeah, mic and everything, using speakerphone and microphone. Yeah, nice. This is cool. I've used these before, other brands. There's so many of them, The price is great, and it seems like it's good quality, made. So I'd say, yeah, I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to try it out. So I will probably even do a separate video just using it and how it works, So check that out too once I get that made. Yeah, but nice quality. Aluminum, sturdy, not going to go anywhere, It's somewhat heavy, not horrible. I'd say this is a couple pounds. Actually, I got a scale right over here. Let's see just what this is. I was right. 1 pound and 9 ounces is what this weighs. So it's not too bad to carry around. Now it is slightly bulky, so putting it in you'd have to put it in a big backpack type thing or something, but yeah. So that's that, but thanks for watching. Check out Crave. I'm going to put a link to this item on Amazon. It's my Amazon affiliate link, so I get credit if you do end up buying one. Check them out and see what you think, On the back is, of course, too, where that aux port is with the charging port. I didn't really show that too good, but it's on the back there. But yeah, so, okay. Thanks for watching. Check it out on Amazon if you're interested in one. And like this video if you did like it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel here if you want more videos like this.